Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Now we've got a good one today, a 2025 Forest River Cardinal, model number 35FUN, or is that 35FUN?
Fun.
Well, let's get started. Now these new updates are really awesome on these. We finally got to see them. So the length on this Cardinal is 42 feet 7 inches. The dry weight is 11,913 pounds. And that hitch weight is 2,135 with a GVWR of 14,135.
All right, guys, so we'll start right up here with the pin on this one. You see it's going to have a Lippard Rhino box. And if you guys are ever concerned about the safety of your campers at campgrounds or in storage, take just a few seconds and listen to this promotion that we have with Proven Industries. I think you'll like their products. J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Okay, let's look at some storage up here.
You know, big shout out to Proven Industries for partnering with us.
Yes, they have some great products. Okay, now I'm going to have to tell you guys, this is going to be the biggest storage that you have on this particular unit, and this is just a divider here to keep your cords and stuff out of the way. But your spare is up here. So this is going to be the major drawback on this particular unit is the storage, because it is a little bit disappointing, to be honest.
Lacking?
Just a little bit. You are going to have electronic leveling on this one. Your batteries will go in here. Battery disconnect is in here, and this has got 4-point electric leveling. It's long for 42 feet. It really needs 3 points. But now this is what I was talking about on your storage, and we'll show you the other side. The inside definitely makes up for it, so if you don't take a lot of stuff with you, you should be fine. All your connections are going to be here, your water. You do have an outside shower. You've got some cutoffs there.
Well, that's for your drain, I think.
Yeah. Well, it's still a cutoff valve. That's what those little things are.
Yes, ma'am.
This is going to be your Suburban water heater.
Tankless.
Yes. And let's see what all we got under here. Is this? I'm just curious to see what this is. What is this?
That's for your tank pulls.
Oh.
They're under here.
Oh, okay. Well, for those who want to know,
yes,
your tank pulls are covered.
You know, we had a...
you do have a dump area here. Keep in mind that it is under a slide. Let's come on down. Let's see. This is, I do not know what type of tires these are, but it does not look like it's got the upgraded suspension on it.
They're just ST radial.
Okay, I don't know what those are, but anyway, just a quick look down the side here. Again, 42 feet. This is a monster. You do have another dump area back here, and again, your pools are covered.
Yeah, they're under there.
All right.
Got to point them out.
We're going to point them out. Let's look at the back. Now, this one is going to be prepped for the Lippard ladder. So you would, unfortunately, it doesn't come with it, but you can get that. It is also prepped for a backup camera. You do have a hitch back here. Let's see. Yes, up to 3,000 pounds. Just be really careful when you decide to tow with something this length. Now this is going to have 2 entries, so this is your back entry. You also have 2 awnings, both power with LED. One is 12 feet and one is 13 feet. but I do love that the arms on these are white, so they blend in with the side.
You know, and I do want to make an observation that all the 3 slide outs are rack and pinion.
Oh, wow.
I'm just saying.
All right. Now, again, this is the other side of your pass-through storage, so if you guys are looking for a lot of storage on this one, you're probably not going to be too happy with the storage. Your solar controller is up there. You do have a place here to add an outside TV, and your propane tanks are going to go in there.
And America.
And you got that right there.
America.
But, guys, the inside of this one, this layout is just, it's amazing.
It is really cool.
Yeah, I know we haven't seen this one before, so I think you're going to like this part. So when we come in, I'll give you a quick look around at this layout. And we'll just start.
Wow, right here at the coffee bar?
Right here, yes. It's a great little area for a coffee bar. Got some nice storage there. Power, USB, and USB-C. Little storage underneath. Again, if you don't want to put your coffee pot there, it's a great place to charge your phones.
Yeah.
Your fuses are going to be right down there at the end. Moving right along, hey, the pantry is right next to it, so we'll show you this pantry.
Oh my. Is this light for... Oh, it is.
Yeah. So he's got his own separate light switch.
Wow, that is really good.
Nice big pantry, and you see that it's got a space here, so you do have room to add a broom or your mops if you take stuff like that with you.
Well, it's tall enough you can put your fishing rod in here. I'm just saying.
It is pretty tall. Wow.
Okay.
Okay, that was just a weird observation.
Thank you.
Next to this, it's going to be a 12-volt side-by-side fridge. And this does actually have a flush floor slide for your kitchen. Now, right next to your fridge and stove area is this neat little area. And I know if we had this, I would use this for my spices and cooking sprays and things like that. That would be a great place for that.
Wow.
Over here, storage up above your microwave. Great big microwave. That's huge. You're going to have a 3-burner cooktop here with an oven and a nice big drawer underneath it. Now, this does not have solid surface countertops in it, but these countertops do look very nice. And when you first glance at them, they look like solid surface.
They do.
All right. Really nice backsplash back there.
Soft close.
Yeah. Moving on into the entertainment center, you've got a big storage space up above your TV. This is a 50-inch TV. There is not a window behind it, so it's mounted there. Great storage area underneath, so if you bring your gaming systems with you, you've got a plug-in, and you have an electric fireplace and another plug-in right over there. Okay, turning around. Not too fast, I hope. But directly in front of your entertainment is a theater seat. You do have cup holders, and it's going to have the parachute pull. But guys, look at this window.
It
is one huge window. It's not 2 windows. It's not 3 windows. It is one.
We have not seen this.
Now, obviously, it does not open, but oh my goodness. It is huge. You are going to have the zebra shades, so you actually have 2 shades on it.
Now,
but no, I have never seen one huge window. That is just weird. Okay. You're going to have like a bar height table here with 4 chairs. Oh, wow. And it's got all kinds of, now those are bungeed together, but you've got a plug-in and USB and USB-C underneath that.
Okay.
That is just really, really nice.
This is the little extension.
Yeah, so on your island, it does have an extension. Again, it's not solid surface, but it's well done. You've got a big stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet. And you've got 2 big drawers here. Your heating is going to be in the cabinetry.
And wow.
And yeah, lots of space underneath your sink, so you do have a garbage can already in here. Okay, What direction are we going in?
You want to save that for last?
Let's save that for last.
All right, let's head to the bedroom.
So this is actually going to have a rear bath. So your main bedroom is going to be here, just off of your kitchen area. This is, we measured this. This is like an Olympic queen. It is like an 80 by 66. Yeah, so bigger than a queen, but not quite a king size. Now, you've got these little shelves here on each side, and if I can get the, oh, please don't let me make you drunk. But there is a plug-in right here, and then there's USB and USB-C underneath it. So that's on both sides, right at the head of the bed.
Well, that's a little odd, but
yeah, that's a little different. Now, I know the sticker up there says king size bed, but this is not a king size bed. But you do have storage up there. Right over here, you've got hanging area and your 2 fabric cubes. And of course, this is prepped. I think you can remove that shelf and do a stackable, or you could do a combo unit.
Wow.
Very nice.
If you don't need it,
if you don't need it, you've got hanging and cubes. We didn't point it out, but this unit actually has 3 AC units.
Yep.
Now, at the foot of the bed, you've got this other wardrobe storage. So you've got hanging up here, and this is going to be the same on both sides. And then you've got lots and lots of drawers. Oh my goodness.
Are you kidding me?
There's what, 12 drawers down here? Yeah. Yeah, 6 big ones and then 6 smaller ones, and then again another hanging area over there. You can put a TV up here. You can put a good size. It looks like you could get a 50-inch up there.
Yeah, because there's all your plug-in and plug-ins and cable in.
Wow. And it's tall. This is a very tall.
Holy moly. It'll take me a minute to shut all this.
This is a great wardrobe area down here at the foot of the bed. And again, this is, there's only 1 slide in here, but that is really good floor space. Oh, I bet there's storage underneath here.
We've already opened it.
Oh, we
That
did?
was the first thing we done.
Oh, okay.
You just didn't say it.
I don't remember that. Now, your heating is going to be right here.
I can do it again.
Okay.
There you go.
And you see that there is a little night light under the edge. Now, your bathroom is going to be in the rear. This is the master bath.
Ooh.
So you've got a second entry here. Yeah. No problem with headroom at all.
Nope.
Nice big exhaust fan in here. Yeah. This is a 32 by 36.
6.
Yeah. And it's got the retractable door. And your foot flush toilet is going to be here at an angle. Unfortunately, this one's plastic. So this is not going to win
The plunger.
our plunger award because it's plastic. But the layout definitely
Still
would
really
have.
cool.
You got a couple of hooks up here. Now, there's not a medicine cabinet here, but your mirror is backlit. You do actually have a window up above it for some natural light. Really great sink area. I really hate that they didn't put a porcelain toilet in here.
Yeah, this would have got it.
It would have been amazing. Your heating's going to be in the cabinetry in here, and you've got some storage area underneath the sink. But then this linen area. Oh my goodness, this is just amazing. And then you've got these 3 really big drawers down here. So Forest River almost nailed it with this
You
bathroom.
got the second entrance. Wow.
They almost had it. They were so close. All right, now let's go up here and show you this part because this is something we have never seen. This is a bunk unit. But look at this layout. Guys,
Wow.
is this not amazing? You have like a full-size bed down here.
And
And there is storage underneath it.
look at that.
Its own struts. So yeah, you got this great storage. Then you're going to have like 2 twin-size bunks up here. There's power and USB up there in the corner for that.
There's
Power and USB on both sides. You've got a shelf up there. And then you have this storage with a drawer. And then you're going to have the
exact
same
thing
storage over here with another drawer.
with a drawer. Yeah.
That is just, we have never seen anything like this. Now, if you want to add a TV, it'll go right up there. But hang on, we're not finished. For those who are full-time or need to work or need to homeschool, you have a desk. I mean, you have a desk. How awesome. Power, USB, USB. But wait, there's more.
Go right, here we go.
You have a second full bath. This is not a half bath. This is a full bath. You guys know Jeremy's 6 feet tall.
Wow.
So, I mean, even the half bath has got an amazing shower.
Why do you say half bath?
I mean the second bath.
Second full bath.
The second bath is amazing. I mean, yeah, come on.
Now this one's not as big
No.
as the other shower, but this one's a 24.
24 by 32.
32.
Yeah. But hey, now you are going to have a little medicine cabinet in this one. There's
Yeah.
sink area. There's a little bit of storage. You could stack some tissue rolls down there. You've got plug in. They actually do give you one little hook up there for your towels. Again, your foot flush toilet in here is plastic. But God,
Wow.
guys, I mean, to have 2 full baths is amazing. This is another AC unit. This fifth wheel has got 3 AC units. It is just amazing.
And I want to point something else out. They have the flush lights
Yes, these flush
throughout
lights.
the coach.
So, hey, tell us what you think. We know the outside storage was a bit disappointing, but now this inside is pretty cool.
And they also give you all your buttons.
Yes,
Yeah,
so you
have
don't
an
have to
actual
worry
button.
about the electronic part going out.
All right, real quick. What do you like?
Okay, I love all of this storage here at the foot of the main bedroom. That is just an amazing amount of storage in a bedroom.
And for me,
The bunk room.
I love that bunk room.
That is the
really
most
awesome.
unusual but well laid out bunk
I
room
love that.
ever.
All right, everybody. If you like this Cardinal, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.